guys, it's filming day, and if you guys don't know what that means, so I honestly record most of my videos. So I normally only film 1, maybe 2 days out of the week, and the rest, like, I try to do as many videos as I possibly can that 1 or 2 days. So today I have like 4 videos I want to film. Yeah, and I only have like 3 hours to do that. No cleaning video today, I don't believe, but I will be filming that probably tomorrow. Those are a little bit easier for me to do, just a little bit easier, because I film it when I'm normally doing my normal cleanup, but the editing for that, it takes a lot longer than any other video. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I have my coffee, so let's get today going. And makeup done. I gotta fix this hair. Curly hair problems. So I decided to start doing this just to get it out of my face when I do have it down, which is like almost never because I don't go anywhere. Yes, I crunch it up so they could really get out of my face. I do have a little bit of product in it, not a lot though, which I'm not probably gonna put anymore because I don't want to. So I have a little bit of this all over it, and that's it. But I literally did this just so I don't have to worry about the front part, which is usually the part that I hate having to redo and whatever. Right, this is what I might look like videos. Yeah, I don't really feel like putting more product in my hair. All right, so let me get into doing some of these videos. All right, guys, that is 1, 2 videos down. One more to go. Yeah, because the next one I'm not gonna be able to film today because I'm getting additional stuff for that video. So let's get into the next. I drink so much coffee, so I am so hyper. Drinks even more coffee. I had a malfunction in one of the videos, so I had to reach out to customer service. And it worked out. Not it worked. That's so weird when that happens. So weird. Okay guys, so I filmed all the videos I needed to film, and now I have a super duper hot mess everywhere. I don't know which videos are going to be going up first and which ones are going up second. I do kind of switch them around sometimes depending on what's going on. But yeah, like let's say since I did film a comparison video with Petunia, sometimes they'll have like a deal, and I had that video to be posted a couple weeks before the actual deal. I'll just move it and move a different video somewhere else. That just works for me. That's the only way I could be consistent on my channel, is if I record videos. If you are a mom, you know. And I also like it because if my baby gets sick or something, I'm not, who cares about this? Complete back burner, and I already have videos that are ready. But yeah, that's why I only dedicate 1 or 2 days, so it's not like I'm completely on my phone all the time editing and stuff for my baby. So yeah, I have to clean this up. I guess I'll go home and just go home. I am home. I'll go ahead and film and show you guys me fixing up the room. I do have so many tripods, guys, but I've been using my cheapest one. Cheapest 2, which is this one and another one that actually isn't even the pieces that go with it. Let me show you. This guy. So I use this for most of my like kitchen videos, but honestly this part had broke from this guy, so I had to get it from a different tripod thing that I had that sucked, and I switched it out and put it here. I have another tripod over there. I have like 500 tripods. And side note, guys, I do film with my phone just for ease, and I feel like it's so much easier for me to film with my phone and edit it from my phone currently, just because of my daughter. I do have a Canon, I have a Sony, I have good cameras, but at the moment that is not something that I want. Yeah, I don't want my baby to be like, oh my god, camera, throw it across the room, or oh my god, laptop, let me push every single button when mommy's editing. I just find it to be easier on my phone. Right now, I promise you guys I will have better quality. I have the cameras. It's just I don't really have the time to have the time or the patience or the habit to tell her no, I feel like it's, don't take it out then. With certain things. It's just personally, I don't think it's something that I need to tell her, don't touch it. It's like a fight that I don't need to have. So I hope you guys don't mind. I really try to film in the daylight. And also I try to like erase videos so I have more space on my phone for the better quality videos. I even asked my husband for Christmas for this way off that I wanted the new iPhone again, and he's like, all right, well, we'll see what happens, but mainly because I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the best quality I can. Right now that she is still little, when she's bigger and it's more of a no, now you really understand why I'm saying no versus just being like that'll be different. I could film with my Sony that I absolutely love and my Canon that I absolutely love, and use my laptops for editing, but it's okay, you make it work. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and clean this up. All right, so that's as clean as it's gonna get for right now. Since I'm not gonna film today this video, but I am gonna do, I have to get my daughter's and ours like emergency kind of kit for the car, change of clothes for me, him and her, and stuff just in case, diapers, things to entertain her, things like that, just in case if we go out and I don't want to take my big bag, I want to take my little one, and I take a lot of stuff. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm actually gonna take a shower really quick though. I'm not doing this today, probably do that next week. All right guys, I got so much, oh my god, you can see where my daughter puts her hands in the mirror. Anyways, I got so much done yesterday, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I got 4 videos filmed and I was able to edit them and while she was napping and at night, and do the thumbnails for all 4 videos. I am so proud of myself. I did so much yesterday. And then obviously this is video number 5, which I forgot to mention that this is video number 5. So obviously I forgot to close out because of the craziness. My daughter started teething, so priorities. Yeah, so she's getting some 2 things on here, so we're bracing ourselves. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.